Is it an even recovery, Pirojsha, though? I mean, do you see it across the country or is it being led by a few pockets only? Because sometimes when recoveries or the cycle starts, it can be a little uneven. I mean, you see a few pockets actually doing very well and then the tail kicks in later. What is it this time? What is it like this time?
Well, then I think what we're seeing is pretty strong demand across the board. If we speak from a geographic perspective, most of our exposure is in the top four markets in the country of Mumbai, NCR, Bangalore, and Pune. All four of those cities, I'm happy to report, are doing very well, are seeing strong momentum. I think if I had to choose amongst them, you'd probably say the NCR market is doing the best. It tends to be the most volatile of the four markets, so tends to lead the way both in the cyclical upturn as well as in the downturn. At least that's what we've observed the last couple of cycles. So we're seeing that again. The NCR market has seen not just volumes come back quite sharply, but a fair amount of pricing growth as well. I think the other markets have also seen very strong volumes, but perhaps somewhat less pricing growth than NCR so far.
How would you rank your four key markets in terms of the demand, price, general interest metrics that you're seeing between Bombay, Delhi, Pune, and Bengaluru?
As I was saying, I think I'd probably say NCR at the current moment is the strongest of the four. If you look at Pune and Bangalore, they tend to be a little bit similar, more steady markets, don't see huge swings either on the downside or the upside. So I think those markets are performing very well. Pricing in those markets also tends to be at the top end, much lower than places like Delhi and Mumbai, which I think makes affordability that much better at the luxury end of the spectrum. But, I think honestly, all four are doing well. If I had to put them in some sort of order, I'd probably say NCR is doing the best. Bombay is also now recovering very well, at least for Godrej Properties. We've seen a sharp uptick in our performance there. And Pune and Bangalore also seeing quite good growth.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.